Welcome back. The ADM Tigers are out to shock the world of 3A football. A team that's never won a state title, hasn't even been a postseason qualifier since 2014. But the Tides, well, they're turning for the Tigers.
You know, we want to win a state championship. I think we've got the guys to do that. We're going to come out every week and try to prove that.
So far, so good for the ADM Tigers, 3-0 and rolling.
We're just being really physical up on the line, and our quarterbacks running the ball. And I think just our physicality to do the whole game is just awesome.
The Tigers' offense is averaging 37 points a game.
This is probably the funnest offense I've been with, and how many points we scored, so it's a good time.
On paper, the rushing attack stands out. But ADM has a senior, Lucas Ray, just 5 receptions away from breaking the school's career receiving record.
It really means a lot, you know. It's a record that I wanted to have since I was a freshman, so being this close really does mean a lot to me.
People that watch us would tell you we're pretty much a run-first team, but you know, Lucas is certainly an explosive kid, does some really great things, and just is a tough-nosed competitor.
Ray is just one of the many seniors on this roster that have bought into Coach Carter.
We're the first, group of freshmen that Coach Carter's had coming here, so it's kind of like that full circle moment when you can just put everything together and hope it goes your way.
The program has certainly come a long way in 4 short years because of the belief they've put in.
We've talked about that a lot, and it's obviously a special group, right? We all came in together, kind of laid the same vision out right away, and this group of seniors is, they're kind of emotional talking about it, right? They're a group that has bought into everything we've asked them to do, and here, you're seeing the results of it, and it's really great to see.
But the Tigers by no means are settling with 3-0 being good enough. They want to ride the momentum.
It's a really big opportunity. We feel like there's nobody we can't beat on our schedule, and we're going to make a run for the Dome.
This year's time to prove what we can do.